Nĩ ngatho na toguo atarĩria nĩ atĩ mĩaraho ĩno hũrĩte kambĩ nja wa kĩhingo gĩa thukuru wa Egerton University gũkũ nĩ mwena wa Njoro kaunti-inĩ ya Naikuru, na kũrĩa arutwo a thukuru ũyũ wa university marokire kũrũrũngana magĩtetia mũgomo wa arutani a university, ũndũ ũmwe na thirikari kwaga gũkorwo ĩgĩthikĩrĩria makaya ma arutani aya, kuona nĩ thikũ 44 ũcio nĩ makĩria ma mweri ũmwe werekeire mweri ũmwe na nuthu arutwo aya matakoretwo marĩ irathi. No ĩndĩ ĩmwe kwa ĩmwe reke tũkorwo tũkĩnyitana na amwe arutwo aya tuigue makaya mao, na labda tueleze tu sababu yenu ya kuandamana hii leo ni gani, na labda wito wenu kwa serikali ni upi kuhusu mgomo wa wahadhiri?
Kwa majina naitwa Mayaka Brena, I'm a student leader in Egerton. The reason why we are demonstrating is because the government of Kenya is silent as if there is nothing that is happening. Comrades Ria, Comrades Ria, hawawezi tulia hivi na tuko hapa.
Kwa majina naitwa Nyongesa Emmanuel, I'm a student leader at Egerton University. Now, what we like to tell the government is education is our right. It's not a privilege to us. So if they respect our rights, let them pay our lecturers. We want to go back to class. Asante.
What I would like to tell the government is that the government should prioritize education as much as maybe prioritizing education to the persons with disability at universities and abroad.
Sisi tumekuwa tukitulia huku, hakuna kazi ambayo tumekuwa tukifanya, and we are wasting a lot of money within the school. And that is the reason as to why today we have come out in large numbers as the comrades, so that we appeal to the government to pay the lecturers ndio sisi tuweze kurudi darasani.
Our parents are facing social degradation and now it's economic degradation. The lecturers are also parents. They have bills to pay. So we want to urge the government of Kenya, because we have misplaced priorities. Sisi anakimbia akifungua akilaunch the projects, akijenga stadium. We want to beg you, our president, if you can just play our lecturers so that we can go back to school. And also, it seems that your government is really hindering us as the youth, because even the Nyota fund that you said us to apply is not eligible for us, the learned youth. So you want us, what did we do wrong to you guys, Bwana?
I want to speak with utter gratitude and humility to the President of the Republic of Kenya, that let's decide for what is best for our young generation. We are delaying the time for learning. We have learned from nursery through high school and primary, and this is the time that we need. We are in a peak of our education. We need a clear, straightforward kind of education.
We want to tell the government this: if they think education is too expensive, let them try ignorance. We are not here to massage their ego. We want to warn them. Let them pay those who shape the nation's mind.
Nĩ ngatho ũguo nĩguo maũndũ makĩhana, na nĩ ndeto ĩkĩhutĩtio na ahũri a biacara thĩinĩ wa kambĩ ĩno ya kĩwonjoria ya Arutwo ũndũ ũmwe na Egerton, kuona kambĩ ici ikoragwo irorete igũrũ arutwo arĩa magĩkoragwo magĩrĩ gũkũ, na koguo kwa thikũ 44 nĩ ndakorwo na ndaranĩria na amwe a ahũri a biacara onao magĩtetia mũgomo ũrĩa ũgĩkoretwo ũkĩrĩ kuo, makĩenda thirikari ĩkorwo ĩgĩetha kĩhonia gatagatĩ-inĩ kayo na kĩama kĩa UASU kĩrĩa nĩkĩo gĩtongoragia arutani aya a mathukuru ma university. No macio ndĩrĩ na kuma gũkũ Njoro kaunti-inĩ ya Naikuru, ngũhũndũrĩre moro mwena wa studio, rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Robert wa Maina.